Vienna is a city that perfectly blends timeless elegance with modern luxury. And if you're also visiting for a shopping experience, I highly recommend you visit the Louis Vuitton shop. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm inviting you to come shop with me at the Louis Vuitton shop in Vienna. I'll share my personal experience, which would hopefully help you enjoy exclusive access, explore the boutique's stunning collection, and make the most of your visit. Whether you're here for a fragrance, a wardrobe staple, or simply to admire the artistry, there's something truly special waiting for you. Once inside, you'll be surrounded by a collection that embodies luxury at every level. They have the iconic monogrammed bags, elegant ready-to-wear pieces, and a stunning array of shoes. The Louis Vuitton shop in Vienna really caters for every fashion enthusiast, no matter what your age is. But beyond the leather goods and the statement pieces that you can find here, there is one part of the boutique for which I came for today, and that is the fragrances. Each scent is really crafted as a masterpiece, blending artistry with individuality. One thing to note is that the shop in Vienna is incredibly popular, especially with tourists. The boutique often has a queue outside, but here is a way in which you can avoid the wait. Book an appointment online. You can do this quite easily by going to their website, then hit locate a store in the menu. You will then see all the Louis Vuitton shops in Austria, and of course you can also search for it directly in the website by locating the store. The website itself is very straightforward. Then hit book an appointment. You can easily select the date and the time you're looking to visit the shop. Then you just fill in your contact details and your appointment will be confirmed. This is a really simple step, but it really will ensure you will have a very nice shopping experience at the shop, whether you're looking to just look at things or to shop for an actual item. Also, the sales associate will be waiting for you right at the entrance to the shop and will guide you throughout everything you want to browse. Will really dedicate the time to answer any of your questions without feeling rushed or without having to wait for anyone. On this day, I came to the shop in order to purchase a perfume for myself. I was particularly interested in the Ombre Nomad, although I tried several other ones as well. In general, you're able to shop for the perfumes both in the shop as well as online. For first-time buyers, I generally would recommend that you visit the shop so you can try them out first. Note that these perfumes are on the pricier side, however, a little does go a long way. And you get 2 free testers with your purchase, and it is generally recommended that one of the testers is the same as the perfume that you're buying, so you have a few days to try it out and make sure that this is a worthwhile purchase for you. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you have any questions, I read you in the comment section below.